Welcome to the introduction to the SingleSTEP training. This module will walk you through our goal to enrich the work experience of our staff through the Sponsorship Transformation Program, or STP. Particularly to introduce you to SingleSTEP and how it will significantly simplify work and increase staff productivity. At the end of this module, you will be able to understand the Sponsorship Transformation Program and to know more about the efficiency workstream. Get a picture and trace the historical roadmap of sponsorship systems. Learn about SingleSTEP and be able to answer, why do we need SingleSTEP? What will SingleSTEP do? What are the changes that SingleSTEP bring? And get an overview of the succeeding modules in this training. This module will take approximately 8 minutes to complete. In light of World Vision's priority to reposition child sponsorship in the next 5 years, a new generation of sponsorship is now introduced that is more engaging, more effective, and more efficient. This work is called the Sponsorship Transformation Program that seeks to revitalize the sponsorship experience by enriching connections between children and sponsors, improve the children's experience by making sponsorship easy, fun, and meaningful, and increase staff's job satisfaction by making work easy, simple, fast, and reliable. STP redefines child sponsorship from being old and traditional to more life-enriching experience that is relevant to the needs and expectations of today's supporters and the new generation of children and communities. We are moving from distinct child and community to a more embracing communities for children, paper-based, static and rote engagement, to an increasing digital, dynamic, virtual, personal, and shareable sponsorship experience. Charity donations to help a child mindset, to jointly creating a wonderful world for children, generic and very basic sponsor value, to a personalized sponsor value, us telling their stories, to them sharing their own stories, and separate sponsorship and programming, to an integrated approach focused on achieving child well-being. Several initiatives are now introduced that are geared towards this new sponsorship direction. Some of these are child greeting video, a short video that captures the child in his or her community and gives the child an exciting opportunity to introduce him or herself to the sponsor. Child photo album allows support offices to use child annual photos to create an ongoing photo album. The development of a sponsored child is seen through an online digital photo album over consecutive years. Community photo album, collection of annual photos of community activities involving children, showing examples of how the sponsor's support is helping the whole community to improve the well-being of children, and a lot more. As we now share more photos and videos from registered children with sponsorship, it is important to provide a system that promotes better engagement, effectiveness, and efficiency to allow for a more dynamic experience. This will allow continued improvement in managing the sponsorship data and streamlining of business processes, thus ensuring World Vision's child sponsorship continued success. This is the primary goal of the efficiency workstream. Release significant workload for frontline staff so they can reallocate their time to new initiatives, contributing to the revitalized sponsorship. 2 initiatives under the efficiency workstream have been implemented across regions and have shown great promise in reducing workload. The Quick Step Form Scanner accelerates data entry to STEP, thus saving time of more than 60%. The simplified child registration and child monitoring forms are now shorter and age-specific, hence gathering and collecting data is faster. One of the key initiatives under the efficiency workstream is SingleSTEP, a major way in simplifying staff work. The development of SingleSTEP was accelerated as one of the important priorities of STP because it is a key enabler to change the child sponsorship experience, an opportunity to streamline and simplify complex business processes to release significant workload for frontline staff. SingleSTEP Learn how it will help STP achieve its vision. Its functions and benefits are discussed in the next part of this module, and for offices to improve their work experience. Growing from several hundred thousand to over 4 million registered children has challenged World Vision in providing timely management of the sponsorship program. The administration of the sponsorship program has been supported by an evolution of systems from sponsorship to SCET to the current sponsorship tracking enhancement program or STEP system. Technical innovations such as STEP have added value and benefit to the sponsorship experience. In early 2005, the sponsorship to SCET system was upgraded to Sponsorship Data Share Plus, or SD Plus. Side by side with SD Plus, a new Lotus Notes-based application called Step 1 was developed, which provides an enhanced service report and includes selected child well-being indicators for efficient and effective monitoring of children. Then, in 2008 and 2009, World Vision took another step, which is Quick Step, to accelerate data entry through bulk entry process. It included form and ID scanners for enhanced data gathering and recording of children's benefits and participation in the program. With today's technology, it is now possible to provide near real-time access to sponsorship data to key stakeholders in the ADP, national, regional, and support offices. In 2011, Stepwise showcases this enhanced reporting mechanism to better inform programs and allow broader access to sponsorship data by various stakeholders within the partnership. However, the decades-old child sponsorship experience is no longer suited to meet the expectations of today's supporters who want to hear, feel, and see more about how their support brings difference to the life of children. Currently, World Vision staff use multiple systems to manage the day-to-day operations of sponsorship. Having multiple applications is inefficient based on today's technology standards and has led to duplication of effort. Over the years, several pain points have emerged. These are significant inefficiencies, significant risk of discrepancies, outdated technology and system limitations, severe performance issues or design limitations, and extensive time spent. Lack of integration of multiple systems and evolving expectations from sponsors has led to the ultimate decision to make major improvements to the technology support system, thus developing SingleSTEP. SingleSTEP represents the final major piece, or end-state integration of STEP, which consists of STEP, SD+, Quick Step Form Scanner, Quick Step ID Card Scanner, and Stepwise. It was designed to replace all the sponsorship legacy systems into one integrated platform. Some of the major benefits that SingleSTEP brings include the integration of the multiple systems of STEP. This means that staff can complete child registration in one day, whereas it used to take 8 days. Watch this video that emphasizes the significant time savings and shows that staff can accomplish more things with SingleSTEP. the reduction of more than 20 data elements from SingleSTEP. The child photo will be sent along with the child data at the same time. Management of child well-being. Case management has now been fully integrated in SingleSTEP. Reduces organizational risk and simplifies the technical support required. SingleSTEP is designed to help us focus on child well-being outcomes. SingleSTEP will be more accessible and will inform all staff in the ADP versus the current practice of informing the sponsorship staff, thus allowing better program integration. There are some new key features in SingleSTEP, as well as some changes to current features. Child photo is integrated with the upload of child data, which also contributes to a change assigning of child ID differently. Cropping of child photos will be done in conjunction with the upload process. Monitoring of the nutritional status for children under 5 is now done using growth curve, and no longer requires capturing the weight of the child. The search feature allows easy retrieval of information. My Tasks is a new feature and replaces the to-do list concept from STEP. It also helps prioritize and manage the workload. And working offline, allowing you to enter date without internet connectivity. Once you connect with internet, it automatically updates records to ensure that the most current information is readily available for anyone accessing the database. Data quality such as accuracy, completeness, and timeliness are critical to ensure the usability of sponsorship data in informing action at both individual RC and program levels. The data gatherer must ensure the quality of the information at the time of gathering the data and/or when interviewing the child, providing capacity building and empowering our partners in the field and community contributes to excellence in sponsorship. SingleSTEP functionality will be released gradually. From now, all core functionality relating to child record management and CMS will be available. In 2014, all functionality compatible with existing business processes, as well as integration with FIP and Sponsorship 2.0 processes, will be available. This includes bulk child data entry, quick step form scanner and ID cards, child grading videos, reinstating dropped child records, and data-driven correspondence. Future releases will address new developments and pending change requests. As you begin your journey learning more about SingleSTEP, you will find that this is just one of the ways we are working to make child sponsorship a life-enriching experience for a new generation of children and supporters, their families and communities, as well as our staff and volunteers. This training is composed of 11 modules. It includes different methods such as e-learning, videos, and face-to-face facilitation. Quick reference guides are also available as references in the Resources Cloud. Make sure you complete all modules so that you have a good understanding of SingleSTEP. You can complete at your own pace and time. These modules will take at least 2 hours to complete in total.